Steve Porter here with Redefined Residential. Today we're at one of our clients' new construction single-family home developments at 5617 North Ottawa, located here in the Oriole Park neighborhood. This 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is situated on a huge 40 by 150 lot. However, even though this home is approximately 5 weeks away from completion, today we're going to give you a sneak peek. Come along with me and let's take a tour. Well, I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes tour of this home. For more information and to be notified when it's completed, visit our website, www.redefinedresidential.com.